In this video we will find the derivative of y is equal to square root of x plus 1 upon x minus 1. So first of all, differentiate both sides with respect to x. So we have dy by dx is equal to d by dx of square root of x plus 1 upon x minus 1. We know that the derivative of square root of x is equal to 1 upon 2 square root of x. So we can apply this formula over here, but we can see that we have x plus 1 upon x minus 1 in place of x. So let u is equal to x plus 1 upon x minus 1. So we have d by dx of square root of u. Now we can see that these two variables must be same in order to apply this formula, but here the variables are not same. So we can apply chain rule of differentiation. So we can replace this dx by du so that we can differentiate the square root of u and then multiply it by du by dx. Now we can apply this formula. So the derivative of square root of u is 1 upon 2 square root of u multiplied by the derivative of u, and u is x plus 1 upon x minus 1. Now we can apply quotient rule of differentiation, which is d by dx of u upon v is equal to v times derivative of u minus u times derivative of v upon v square. So we have 1 upon 2 square root of u, and we can put the value of u, which is x plus 1 upon x minus 1, and here we can apply the quotient rule of differentiation. So first we have v, which is x minus 1 multiplied by the derivative of u. So we have d by dx of x plus 1, then minus u. So we have minus x plus 1 multiplied by the derivative of v. So we have d by dx of x minus 1 upon v square, x minus 1 whole square. Now this can be written as 1 upon 2 square root of x plus 1 upon square root of x minus 1, and here we have x minus 1, derivative of x is 1 and the derivative of 1 is 0, then minus x plus 1, again the derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 1 is 0, so we have 1 upon x minus 1 whole square. Now this can be written as x minus square root of x minus 1 upon 2 square root of x plus 1, and 1 multiplied by x minus 1 is x minus 1, and minus times x plus 1 is minus x minus 1 upon x minus 1 whole square. Now square root of x minus 1 can be written as x minus 1 whole power 1 upon 2, and in the denominator we have 2 square root of x plus 1, and here x minus x is 0 and minus 1 is minus 2 upon x minus 1 whole square. Now we can cancel this 2 and this 2, and we can subtract the powers of these factors. So we have square root of x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1 to the power 2 minus 1 upon 2. Now we have minus 1 upon square root of x plus 1 and x minus 1 to the power 3 upon 2, and this can be written as minus 1 square root of x plus 1 And x minus 1 to the power 3 upon 2 can be written as x minus 1 multiply by x minus 1 to the power 1 upon 2. Because by the rule of indices these powers can be added, so 1 plus 1 upon 2 is 3 upon 2. Now we have minus 1 upon square root of x plus 1 multiply by x minus 1 multiply by x minus 1 to the power 1 upon 2. So we can write minus 1 square root of x plus 1 multiply by x minus 1, and x minus 1 to the power 1 upon 2 can be written as square root of x minus 1. Then first we will write x minus 1 and square root of x plus 1 and square root of x minus 1 can be written as square root of x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1. And here we can apply the formula, which is a plus b multiplied by a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So here we have x in place of a and 1 in place of b. So we have a square root of square of x minus square of 1, which is equal to minus 1 upon x minus 1 square root of x square minus 1. And this is the required answer.